Imagineers had visions of 1930s ocean liners when they launched the Disney Magic in 1998. And I also took inspiration from these classic ships when considering a new paint scheme for this very tired-looking K-16 tanker truck. I like the dark hull and the white superstructure combined with the red stripe at the waterline. It's a timeless Art Deco look that will translate well onto this 1970s Matchbox Super King. The truck frame and the trailer bottom were painted a glossy black. The bumper, fuel tanks, and pump valves were masked and painted silver. The red plastic piece came from a Shell tanker also undergoing a restoration. The decals were made in Apple's Pages, but any word processing program could also do the job. A clear sealer protects the decals. I've been using a glossy Rust-Oleum clear over the white paper. This ends up blending pretty well with the gloss of the white paint underneath, also by Rust-Oleum. The white decal paper works so well on top of a painted white area, and because both are glossy finishes from the same manufacturer, the decal's edges tend to blend quite nicely. That wraps up another episode of Bob's Workshop. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.